Welcome back to the Mothership Motorsports Garage. Today we're going to take the races out of Emma's tree. There's one right here for the head unit, and one right there. Now these are a press fit, so and I have a trick for you on how to get those head units out, those races out of that head unit. So it will take a welder. You need a welder. And basically, you're going to run a bead along the middle of this race, and then you're going to douse it with water, and it'll cool quickly, and then it will, hopefully, if all goes well, it will just come right back out, right out. It'll do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We'll see how it goes. You got to be really careful not to weld the race to the head unit. So you got to make sure you're in the center of that race, and that's all you get. So you only have to go about halfway around. So any kind of welder would work. I happen to have a MIG, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so we got that. Now I'm going to let that one cool while I do the other one. We'll let that cool. I'll clean up my mess. We'll see how I did. See what we got. See if we can knock it out. It should just pop right out if it's Well, of course, why would it be easy? All right. Now on this, there's two little notches. Oh yeah, there we go, see? There it is, there's one right there. Pops right out a lot easier than it should. And then same thing here. You just can't hit it as hard because of where it is. Let's see if I can get it with this a little bit longer. So the first one worked pretty well. I just need to find a spot to actually tap this one. Let's see here. It's too short. Again, this is kind of a little bit. There we go. Got to kind of hit side to side. And there you go. There's those races. As you can see, I just did a little, a little bead about halfway around, and then those came right out. So now I'm going to do some cleanup, and I'll show you how to put the new races back in. Because the new races, they're also a press set. So I bought a tool, and it's a bearing race and seal remover driver. And basically, all it is a punch. A holder that holds a. I guess this one that just holds an aluminum tapered punch. Basically, this will sit in that race, and then we'll tap it in, and you just need to make sure you go in straight. That's the main thing. Let's see. Okay, so this will be, okay, so this will be for the small one. I have put the new races, I put them in my freezer to shrink them, just to make it so it's easier to go in. So let me grab those. So we're going to, let's see, yep. Okay, so this is the little one. Let's go up here. Now the main thing is to make sure you get it to go in straight. I'm actually going to get the next bigger size, just to, I'm not quite happy with the purchase I'm getting on that, so yeah, that's a little bit more on the on the chamfer than right on the edge. So I can see that I'm going in a little crooked. Make sure that it's in nice and tight, nice and flush where it's supposed to be. And then this next one, I need the next bigger size. This one's going to be a little more difficult because of the angle I have to hit through. Be swinging up hills. Okay. So make sure. Okay, I'm going a little bit crooked, so. Okay. There you go. here that it is up against the thing. There we go. That's all there is to it. Putting those in. The other bearings, I have to actually get a piece of pipe to go around the triple tree, or the head unit, the tree, so that I can hit that other bearing nice and flat. So that's all there is to it. We will check back in a little bit once I get that piece of pipe that would fits around. Let me show you. So this is the piece that goes in here, obviously, right? It goes in that way, and this is the new bearing. So the new bearing will press on. It also is a press fit, but I don't want to push on this cage at all. I want to push on the center race part. So I need to get a pipe that slides over this, but doesn't hit this race. And then I'll get these cold and press them on. I'll put the seal on first, but so that'll be another time when we do that. So until then, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. See ya!